Hi beloveds, it's Ebony C. Peace, and I give liberal-minded job seekers empowering solutions to increase their income and achieve their career goals with self-care and love. When I say self-care and love, I mean that. And today I want to talk to you about self-care and love. So what is the point of me helping you create a resume for a career that you're not even really into? For some of you, a paycheck might be enough. You're satisfied with settling with a job that pays your bills and that's it. If that's you, that's fine. And that's also not the kind of clients I serve. I serve people who may like their job just fine, but they still want to leave. They are not okay with settling for a living paycheck to paycheck and just, liking, quote unquote, their job. They want to have money to invest, income to live the lifestyle they want, give to causes they care about. They want a career that fulfills them and helps them make the world a better place. They want to go to work because they want to and because they enjoy it. They want to work with a supervisor that supports them, not just tolerates them, and vice versa. I also think that it takes energy to be somewhere you don't want to be. You know that feeling, I know that feeling. It takes energy to be somewhere you don't want to be. And that's energy, time, and emotional labor wasted. Energy that you could be putting to other things. Volunteer work at your faith community, hanging out with friends, enjoying life, spending time with your family, watching Netflix, cuddling with your cats, digging around in your garden, playing video games with friends. There are countless better things you can do with your time besides spend it at a job that you don't even really like, at a job that's just, okay, at a job that gives you the type of raise that just barely keeps you from looking elsewhere, but that is not enough. Your total wellness is important. Be a good steward of your energy. Embrace the limited amount of time you have on earth by using that time for work that brings you joy, work that brings you an income that you feel great about. Managing your career, it's about taking care of yourself. Just like we go to see our healthcare provider, once or twice a year for a checkup, we need to regularly reflect on our career circumstances, discern deep within ourselves if we are on track towards joy or not. Does your work energize or drain you? Are you treated with dignity and respect? If you like the people you work with and the work you do, are you getting paid what you're worth though? Are you able to take time off for life? Does your job support your continued learning and development? If it does not, your job is not as fine or okay as you say it is. Just like when we see a healthcare provider when we're ready for a checkup, or when we take our car to the mechanic, we can self-diagnose and Google what might be wrong all day long. But when it comes down to healing that matters, or getting your car back in shape so it's safe and reliable, it's best to have an expert professional help you. Our do-it-ourselves mindset can only take us so far. The best type of mindset is the proactive one, a mindset of preventative maintenance, a mindset of self-care. Our career situation directly impacts our financial, emotional, physical, and spiritual wellness. If you value your wellness, private message me or comment below. I'll give you details on how we can set up a spiritual career direction wellness visit. So take care, beloveds, and see you again soon. Bye-bye.